go ahead and sit back here in my dirty car, first time for a little bit. So as you can see, got the dash out, only took a few more minutes. Now we can start getting rid of a lot of stuff, because right there, the big orange box, we got the airbag module, so covered in dust and dirt from the foam here of a wire harness. That stuff's just everywhere in this car since I've been pulling it apart so much. But anyways, back to that airbag. We're not going to be keeping the airbags in this car, so that's all going to get ditched. So it's a lot of wiring that's going to be eliminated or anything. We're not going to have AC in this car with the swap, so I mean, it's a Cabriolet, so you put the top down. That's your air conditioning. But yeah, that's where we are right now. Let's continue moving on. Let's go ahead and jump in here. So we got to release all the fasteners, screws on the cowl side for this HVAC box, and I can't hold the camera and do it both at the same time, so we'll be right back. There's our solution. A lot of this stuff you do have to kind of be careful with. The old plastic seems to want to break real easy, whether it's connectors or these steering column trim panels, plastic. Got these off in one piece, but it took a minute, so just want to be careful with those when you're taking those on and off. You take this shifter knob and shifter boot off, just unscrews, normal thread. This thing's all disgusting. Like a lot of stuff in this car. All of this stuff, shifter assembly, I'm not going to be using that original stuff from this car. We're going to be using what comes with the Mark IV and the O2J. So this is all going to get dropped out. We're going to go from the linkage shift to the cable shift. Should be pretty cool, much more convenient. We're doing the whole swap and all. Alright, so as most things with old cars go, didn't really work out as planned up there in the cowl area. The fasteners are rusted, so it's going to be a little bit more than just unscrewing them and popping them out of there. So we're going to come in here and get this side finished. now I'm just releasing this AC line that runs up through the firewall. Well, you can hear it knocking around up on the other side, but it doesn't really want to come out of there right now. Here it goes. As you take it apart. It's somewhat organized. When you go to remove everything you don't want, you already know what you're going to do. It's already labeled for you. It's all loose, just need to break that last AC line off there. Had to run and get my larger multi-position wrench. Get that last AC line off there. Then this entire box should come right out of here. There's the pipe as well. So camera cut off on me. Got everything disconnected at the heater core hoses, pulled through the firewall. I got all the bolts out. Well, I guess they're screws, but everything's disconnected. The only thing I'm going to need to do to get this heater box out of here is remove that guy right there, the airbag module, and I don't know if you can see that, but these aren't actual nuts of any type. They're whatever. Anyways, you can grab them with a set of pliers, break them loose, and then spin that off right there. Once all 4 of those are off, I'll be able to pull that heater box out. As with a lot of old cars, you get rusted hardware, stuff like that. So this piece has obviously been water in the car that's gotten these nuts and bolts rusty, so got to cut this one off to start with. I'm sure it'll be one of many. Alright, so now everything from the heater box, interior, and inside the cowl is now out, so we can continue on to the inside and get the wiring harness pulled through.